Today topic is about basic theory of motivation. Let's discuss basic theory of motivation. Theory X. Douglas MacGregor concluded that a manager's view of the nature of human beings is based on certain grouping of assumptions, and he or she tends to mold his or her behavior toward employees according to these assumptions. Theory X management view that assumes workers generally dislike work and must be forced to do their jobs. Theory X assumptions are basically negative, implies inherently dislike work, and whenever possible will attempt to avoid it. Second is, since implies dislike work, they must be coerced, controlled, or threatened with punishment. Third is, implies will avoid responsibilities and seek formal direction whenever possible. Fourth is, most workers place security above all the factors and will display little ambition. Next is the theory Y. Management view that assumes workers like to work and under proper conditions. Employees will seek responsibility to satisfy social esteem and self-actualization needs. So, in the next theory Y assumptions, I will tell you what are theory Y assumptions are basically positive. First is, employees can view work as being as natural as rest or play. Second is, people will exercise self-direction and self-control if they are committed to the objectives. The average person can learn to accept, even seek responsibility. What are the implications for managers? This is the best explained by using Maslow framework. Maslow hierarchy of needs: psychological, safety, social esteem, self-actualization. Psychological includes hunger, thirst, shelter, sex, and other bodily needs. Safety includes security and protection from physical and emotional harm. Social includes affection, belongingness, acceptance, and friendship. Esteem includes internal esteem factors such as self-respect, autonomy, and achievement, and external esteem factors such as status, recognition, and attention. Self-actualization. In the self-actualization, the drive to become what one is capable of becoming includes growth, achieving one's potential, and self-fulfillment. Next is the Maslow separated our 5 needs into higher and lower orders. Psychological and safety needs are desired as lower order. Social esteem and self-actualization are as higher order needs. Higher order needs are satisfied internally. Lower order needs are predominantly satisfied externally. Next theory is Alderfer ERG theory. What is this? What he was saying. Clayton Alderfer's existence relatedness growth. ERG means existence relatedness growth. Theory builds on some of the Maslow's thinking but reduces the number of universal needs from 5 to 3 and is more flexible of movement between levels. Alderfer lifts the restriction used by Maslow and that lower order needs must be addressed first: existence, relatedness, and growth. Existence is the concern with providing basic material existence requirements. Relatedness, desire for maintaining important interpersonal relationships, and growth is intrinsic desire for personal development. The research evidence. Through logical, the theories proposed by Maslow and Alderfer do not receive much support from research. Difficulties include it may unreasonable to expect a relatively small set of need ordered in a particular fashion to apply to all human beings. Next is the theory I will tell you about Herzberg's motivation or hygiene theory. Herzberg's motivation hygiene theory. In this motivators, hygiene factors, data two factors theory. Motivators: achievement, recognition, account for job satisfaction and motivation. Hygiene factors: cause dissatisfaction with work, interpersonal relationships, company policy, supervision, salary, working conditions. Criticism of the theory: the procedure that Herzberg used is limited by the methodology. Second is the reliability of Herzberg's methodology is questioned. No overall measure of satisfaction is utilized. So, two-factor theory. In the two factors theory, motivation factors, hygiene factors, achievement. Motivation factor is achievement, recognition, the work itself, responsibility, advancement and growth. And in the hygiene factor, supervisors, working conditions, interpersonal relations, pay and security. Third one is we have theory of needs is McClelland's theory of needs. The theory focuses on three needs: achievement, power and affiliation. Need for achievement, need for power and need for affiliation. We summarizing the various needs things: Maslow, Alderfer, Herzberg, McClelland. Maslow say self-actualization, esteem. Alderfer, growth. Herzberg, motivators. McClelland, need for achievement and need for power. These are the same explanation. Maslow, affiliation, that is relatedness. Alderfer, Herzberg, hygiene factors. McClelland, need for affiliation. Maslow, psychological and security, existence. Alderfer is existence and Herzberg, hygiene factor, and McClelland, need for affiliation. Need theories of work motivation: needs, then behavior. We look about behavior, then we look performance and outcomes and incentive goals. I hope you understand these four theories: Maslow, Alderfer, Herzberg and McClelland theory of needs. Thank you.